Don't worry, girl. Military men don't have time to cheat. They are too busy doing shit like this.